3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Edgar Rafael, the founder of Bongo Forex, and this is your market analysis. Now without further ado, I just want to remind you guys this video is an educational purpose video and it's not meant to be any signal providing service or financial oriented service. It's free for everyone who is interested in financial markets, especially Forex, and they want to succeed in this game. And as all you may know that preparation is key for Forex market because it kind of gives you the bias and perspective on the market movement and gets you prepared for any surprises. Now it kind of helps as well not be caught up in any entry levels and points of which you are not supposed to be there. So our method of trading is the 10% method of trading, which means that this is the trading which has been statistically proven to be successful by the 10% successful traders. You're talking about professional traders. Now, if you're interested in knowing and understanding the method of tradings, you can just go down the link down below in our description and can get the free book on Amazon, which costs around £8 for the PDF soft copy version. Now, without further ado, I'll have to just jump into technical analysis just for the sake of saving your time, plus there is no much of fundamental breakdown for this week. Starting over with dollar currency index. Now, as you all may know, dollar currency index is a chart of interest for me because it gonna gives me a very strong bias on my entries for the other for all pairs, especially the pairs dominated with US dollar. Those pairs include EURUSD, Aussie dollar, and GBPUSD. Now, starting with US dollar currency index, from the last week we have reached the pinnacle point of the price level for this currency index, where the price has reached 96.88, and we have seen a very strong bearish candle stick, which means that the bears are coming in the market, but yet there's a bit of a substance of the buyers in the market as well, but the bears are getting in, and several indicators that give us even further confirmation, such as our SMI indicator, which is a combination of RSI and MACD, has reached an overbought levels of 56.0567, plus the price has rejected this upper resistance level, which is quite a strong one, that has oh, what's this? Oh, sorry for that, guys. Alright, which the significant level has proven once before to be a very strong resistance level. Now it's proven again to be the resistance level for this coming week. Having said that, we are going to trade on a negative basis on any US currency pair in this following week, starting with EURUSD. USD has reached very interesting levels, as you can see that we are on the levels of the bears, the bulls are coming back in the market. The bulls are coming back in the market. The price has reached this significant level since August 15. Now the price has reached this significant level. Now we're seeing a retracement back up. I don't know why this pop-up keeps on coming back on my screen. I totally hate this. Having said that, our indicator of choice gives us a very strong oversold indicator here, meaning that the price has been oversold too much and there's a probability of the bulls to come in and buy Euro USD. Now for the coming week, you have to be very careful with these levels here. This is gonna be my target for take profit 1.14667, and if the price breaks out, probably I expect the price to come back to this level of 1.1851. And the reason why I say this level, because I say significant levels are the level that attract and repel prices. So it's quite important for any trader to be careful with these levels. Now for the upward trend, a possible upward trend for EURUSD, we're going to look for resistance, for resistance level that are going to affect the price to correct itself. Now we have this one, and the up one. So we have two take profit for the coming week and even 2 coming weeks, because the price to reach this level is gonna take ages. Now remember guys, this coming week we have NFP, non-farm payroll. Is the event news of choice for many traders. Many traders make a lot of money, many traders lose a lot of money. As a fundamental trader, I like to keep my things simple. I don't like stress. I don't trade non-farm payroll unless it's obvious. Now most of the time non-farm payroll can be confusing for most starters, but I'll try to give our webinar for free on that day on how we can analyze the markets and take opportunities for non-farm payrolls. But remember guys, it's on your own risk. Now jumping on to US oil. US oil is my favorite commodity to trade because of less volatility of US oil and the predictability of the price movement, and then lastly because of the way it gives back. US oil has a lot of spread return, and that's what I like to when I have really bad days, I like to trade US oil just to get my account back to its healthy numbers. Now for the coming week, US oil, I expect a further down on fall of the of the US oil to these levels of the target price of 64.68. Let me just draw for you guys, for those probably not see my cursor, my help you. So this might be my take profit. This is my take profit 1 of 66.08 and my take profit 2 of 64.74. I expect the price to come back here, gonna retrace a little bit and go back to its normal move. Now remember, we have been guided by this bearish flag that kind of gives us a very good, a very sweet entry level. So we're seeing higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower lows. Now from lower lows we're going to back to higher lows, and we expect a further price we expect a rejection on this significant downward trend. So fourthly, I like to go to Euro Aussie dollar. My prediction for this coming week, I expect a price to go up from these lower levels of 1.60352, and I see a potential upward movement to these levels here, and probability of the price to come back to retrace to this significant line, and then price to shoot up to this upward level. So we have two take profit. Take profit 1 for short-term traders, and the last take profit is for the long-term traders who do not want to stress themselves by looking at the charts every single day. So this take profit 2 is good for long-term traders. Jumping on to Aussie US dollar. Aussie US dollar has been an interesting pair last week with a close of massive, more than 100 pips upward move before the close of the week on Friday. Now my expectation for this coming week, I expect the price to come back to this resistance level and kind of retrace back. Now there are two scenarios that might happen due to dollar currency index depreciation for the coming week. The price Aussie dollar is going to appreciate to these levels of 0.71447 and come back to this level. This is just a technical, sentimental, psychological levels, but fundamentals will take the bulls up to these levels where this significant downward trend is of 0.7213, where I'll look to maximize my lot sizes and take even a bigger risk for a further downward trend, a further sell-off of the price. 6 is a USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen is a very interesting pair, and I expect a bullish trend for the coming week. Why? Because of this strong, beautiful upward trend the US Japanese yen has had for a couple months now, since February, or I think February or March. Now, as you all know, that patterns is a key way of us to trade. Number one is fundamental, then patterns, then last we go to use indicators and other tools. Now, for this coming week, expect the price to retrace from these levels and keep its move up to 1.11.91, and I expect a retracement here, and the price maybe might bounce back and continuous move to upward levels of 1.14307. Now, I love this trade because it has a very equilibrium price movement, because buying here gives us a good opportunity of taking profit over here, also selling from this resistance level, which has been a very strong resistance level for US Japanese yen. I can sell it to these levels here, close my profits, and then buy it again to this take profit. So it's equilibrium entry levels that we can buy and sell at the same time and get really good returns. Moving on to Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen is a very interesting pair because of reaching a very significant support level of 127.234. Now, my expectation for this coming week is a further upward movement, a retracement or a correction of the downward trend the Euro Japanese yen has had for this October towards November. Now, I love this range of Euro Japanese yen, and I advise most traders, especially the beginners, to take advantage of this opportunity, because when you have a range, a consolidation range, price tend to be very respectful and very easy to play with it. When I say play with it, is trading by buying and selling between the ranges. Now, my expectation of this price for this coming week, I expect the price to bounce back, correct itself, come back to these levels of this significant line over here of around 130.038 at a probable retracement and a further move to the target levels of 131.724. Last but not least is US Canadian dollar. Now, it's been this pair has been a pair of choice for me for the last week because of the way it respects this upward movement. Now, remember, we had an interest rate news last week from Canadian dollar, and it was a massive surprise. When the drop happened, I had to enter my entry over there down at the levels of 1.296, which is down here. This retracement was such a good retracement because fundamentally US Canadian dollar was on a very bullish upward trend, and US Canadian interest rate was in, I think it's 0.75 at the moment. This is the new figure. Hasn't been a very strong news to shake up the movement of US Canadian dollar. So my bias for this coming week is an upward trend, but the mid of the week can give us a good surprise of a further downward fall, because number one of the US dollar currency index probable depreciation for the coming week, plus this significant line could act as a major potential resistance for this pair. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge about trading, not only the learning not only the opportunity for the coming week, but also learning how we take trades as professional traders. and you guys could take advantage of this free weekly analysis and forecast to unduplicate or copy and paste what I've done onto your charts and take opportunities. Guys, this is a free video. Take opportunity of this, and I hope you're gonna make good returns and become a successful trader and achieve the dreams you want to achieve. Thank you guys, and I hope you're gonna like us, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, I just remember we're just having our new website. It's called bongoforex.co.uk. Now I'm still under preparation. I'm still building through WordPress, but I hope you guys are gonna like it. Alright, what's that happening there? I hope you guys are gonna like our website. Please support us by like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, and I hope you're gonna have a successful week. And remember guys, NFP this week on Friday. Be careful out there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.